Well, it's finally happened. When you think all is right with the world, Lenovo turns around and slaps you in the face. At the end of 2014, they installed malware into their consumer-grade laptops. It's called SuperFish. And this SuperFish bypasses all security protocols by banking institutions and secure sites to allow SuperFish to collect data on Lenovo's customers that have laptops with this malware installed. So the Wall Street Journal says that Lenovo, in order to justify this, is offering a free antivirus software to those people who were affected by this malware, SuperFish. That is not going to cut the mustard. Also, the CNN has talked about the Lenovo SuperFish malware that's been slipped into the Lenovo laptops. Previously, I made a video on the Edge 15 Lenovo laptop and gave it kudos. At that time, I was unaware of the SuperFish malware and am completely sorry for any inconvenience that I've caused anybody because I did not know this malware was installed on this laptop. There is a 9-page document on the internet telling how to uninstall the SuperFish, and I will go over that in the next video. I will uninstall the SuperFish from the Edge 15, and we'll try and make everything okay for those of you who have purchased the Edge 15. So for now, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.